Mmm, super yum. Now our Sugpo is ready for us to be enjoyed. And let's go to our waiting plate with jasmine, aromatic rice, and look at that. Come on and eat. After cooking our halabos na sugpo that I have shown you in the previous video how to cook. Wow, you're gonna love this as I do. Steaming hot, super yum. Look at that. And we're going to plate them now. Some of them for you and me and all of us. Excuse me, please. Over there for you and me and all of us. Oopsie. And let me just slide through this rim. For you and me and all of us. Yummy yes. You and me and all of us. Excuse me, please. Our shrimp is still jumping. And for you and me and all of us. Alright. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. Let's enjoy our Sugpo. Halabos na Sugpo and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom and mom and chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And available at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. Our halabos na sugpo are waiting for you. But first, we're going to bless our food. Isn't that important? I'm holding my camera at the same time. Excuse me, please. And blessing for food. Mighty I am presence. Accept this food, make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And that's my 22nd book, I'm God, by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available at juanitagutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com. And some of my books are here as well, that I've shown you, partly hidden, how to discern if God calls you to monastery life, and The Rose and the Tiamat, The Miracles of Our Lady of Guadalupe. And my mom and I traveled worldwide with all my siblings and their families traveled as well, and mom and dad traveled as well. And let's enjoy halabos na sugpo. Oh my goodness. And we're gonna enjoy this with, I love garlic with plenty of apple cider vinegar. Super delicious. Now, come on and eat. Tayo na po tayo na Tagalog language with our rice. Let me stabilize my camera so that you could all enjoy this all together. And let's see here. And today we have grapefruit juice organic, and cheers for the new year 2026 and moving forward with Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy every day, with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light to us all, right now and continuously. And so, I'm giving you the knife and the fork. Oh my goodness, I don't know where to start. And the spoon. Let me get some rice first. I love rice. The Philippines and Asians mostly love rice. For you and me and all of us, yum. Mm. Garlic, yum. Mm. Oh my goodness. Now we start with our Sugpo. And as I had mentioned yesterday in cooking, I mean, yeah, today, right now, my beloved parents own a fishing boat, and we always have huge Sugpo or prawn, much bigger than this, for you and me and all of us. And we're going to dip in our dippings, sauce of vinegar and lots of garlic, apple cider vinegar or whatever vinegar you have. Here I have apple cider vinegar and lots of garlic. Yum, for you and me and all of us. Yum, yes. Mmm. I want to have some rice more. Really good. Oh my, for you and me and all of us. Hmm. Wow, you're gonna love this as I do. And let's have our grapefruit juice Paloma mix. For you and me and all of us. Cheers to the New Year 2026 and moving forward. Excuse me, please. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward. Merry, happy every day. With long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love and light to us all. Any occasions, happy birthday, weddings, happy graduation, happy baptism, happy every day is perfect. For you and me and all of us, yeah. Wow, this is super good. Happy cooking. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat in the Tagalog language. Super delicious. Super flavorful, super gourmet. In Tagalog, napakasarap. Halabos na sugpo. Halabos na hipon. Yum. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom and mom and chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide. Come on and eat! In the Tagalog language, kain na po tayo. Happy cooking! In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. You're gonna love this as I do. Really good. With the fruits, apples, and of course the garlic there. I love garlic with apple cider vinegar. Yummy, yes. Super gourmet. Halabos na supo o halabos na hipon. Enjoy. Happy cooking. Yum. And this is wild caught that I ordered at allfreshseafood.com with a discount using my name Juanita. I'm inviting you all to go to www.allfreshseafood.com to get the discount using my name Juanita, or you could call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1833 got crab. And thank you for all your support. Your discount code is Juanita to get 10% discount. happy cooking. Oh my goodness. When I was growing up, as I had mentioned, my beloved parents used to own a fishing boat named after Saint Anthony, and we have huge prawns or shrimps alive, and some engineers in my dad and mom's fishing boat eat, and my siblings eat some of the Sugpo, fresh, newly caught, alive, and tasting sweet. And I wrote these miracles of Saint Anthony as well in this book, Missing People, Animals, Things, Go to Anthony, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And that's Saint Anthony with baby Jesus, where my beloved parents' fishing boat was named after, because my beloved mom's patron saint is Saint Anthony. Thank you, Saint Anthony, for saving my beloved parents when they were newlyweds. That's why my beloved parents' fishing boat is named after Saint Anthony. Thank you, Saint Anthony. Now we can enjoy fresh seafoods. Yummy as halabos na sugpo. Enjoy. Happy cooking. Happy dining. Enjoy life. Enjoy this halabos na sugpo with jasmine aromatic rice. Halabos na sugpo with butter. As I have shown you in the previous video how to cook, and all the spices. Yummy as. Enjoy.